Hi guys, today I have a super delicious chicken sandwich recipe for you. It's really simple, not a lot of ingredients, but the flavor is amazing. Let's get started with the recipe. You need a quarter of a white cabbage, 2 medium carrots, 1 medium red onion, and some parsley. Start by finely chopping the cabbage and remove any big bits that are hard. Then transfer the cabbage into a big bowl and add some salt to it. Then you want to soften the cabbage with your hands until it starts releasing juices and becomes slightly transparent. Then you want to grate the carrots, dice the onion, and finely chop the parsley. I removed the hard bits from the parsley, so only using the leafy bits, and then I chopped it finely. Add all the ingredients to your salad bowl, season with some black pepper to taste, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayo and mix until well combined. For the homemade sauce, you will need 5 tablespoons of mayo. To that, we are going to add about 1 teaspoon of mustard. I like to use a spicy mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey. Then you want to season with black pepper and salt to taste and add 1 teaspoon of dry onion. Then I also added some Tabasco to add a little bit of spiciness. If you want, you can add it. If you don't want, then leave it out. And then give a good mix and leave the sauce aside. To prepare the crispy chicken fillets, you want to start by blending the cornflakes. Next, you want to prepare the flour coating. For that, you will need 4 tablespoons of flour, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sweet paprika, also a teaspoon of dry onion, dry garlic, and black pepper. And then just whisk all the ingredients together. The last thing for the chicken you need is the eggs, and you want to just shortly whisk the eggs to break the structure. And then we are going to prepare the chicken. I had quite big chicken breast, so I decided to remove some bits in order to have like this perfect piece, which I then cut into 2, so to have 2 thin fillets. The chicken bits or the trimming pieces that you're leaving aside will be used later on, so you don't want to throw them away. Definitely not. If you want, you can use them for some other cooking, but you can also make chicken nuggets with this recipe, so with the same coating, and fry them just after you've fried the crispy chicken fillets. So if you have any leftovers, then you can cut them later into little nugget pieces. And then what you want to do is kind of have a look how the fillet pieces fit your bread, and then trim if you need to trim a little bit. And now we are going to coat the chicken fillets. So you want to start with flour. Make sure that you coat the fillets really well with the flour. Then you want to dip them into the egg mix, and here also make sure that you don't have any dry spots, so the egg will help the cornflake coat to stick to the fillet. So you really want to coat the whole fillet with the egg. And then once you've coated once you've applied the final coat of cornflakes, you want to set the fillets aside. This way you can have all your fillets ready before you start frying them. Now you want to heat a big pan with oil on high heat until the oil is hot. And how you can test that is with the small nugget piece, so you can add that to your pan, and if it starts bubbling like this, then the oil is hot enough and you can start frying your fillets. You want to fry the fillets 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden. If you notice that the fillets are getting really dark in less than 2 minutes, then you want to reduce the heat slightly. Alternatively, you can also fry the fillets in an air fryer or deep fry them, or you can also bake them in the oven. Once you've finished frying all of your fillets, you can also fry the little chicken nuggets if you made those out of leftovers. Here you want to fry them only 1 to 2 minutes per side. Then you want to take another pan, a dry pan, and slightly toast the buns or the bread that you're using for your chicken sandwich. Then the first layer we're adding is the coleslaw, and you really want to add enough of that creamy coleslaw because it's gonna give a really lovely moisture to your sandwich. Then you want to add your crispy chicken fillet, top with some pickles, and I say some, I added a lot because they also added a lovely juiciness and delicious flavor to the chicken sandwich. Finally, apply the delicious homemade mayo to the other bun and close your sandwich. And now your chicken sandwich is ready. It's full of that delicious, juicy, creamy coleslaw, the crispy chicken, and it's absolutely delicious. When I think of a burger, then usually, or a sandwich like this, then usually it consists of some salad leaves, some cucumber, tomato, the meat, and some kind of a sauce or dip. However, I think that this way very often they feel a little bit dry. At least to my taste, I need to add a lot of sauce in order for these burgers to actually not be dry or not feel dry to my taste. So I really love the idea of adding the coleslaw directly into the burger or into the sandwich, because it gives so much moisture. The bottom bun to which you add this coleslaw gets really nice flavor from the coleslaw, and also it adds a perfect moisture to the whole chicken sandwich. Since I was using the coleslaw, I thought that it doesn't really need a lot of other flavors apart from, well, the crispy chicken, and then I thought some pickle would really make it perfect. So I decided to just add a little pickle to the sandwich to finish it, and I love the combination of flavors. It didn't miss anything and I really loved it. For this recipe, I deep fried the crispy chicken fillets, but what you can also do is you can bake them in the oven or prepare them in an air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I really hope you're gonna try it out because it's super yummy and I really want you to experience it as well. If you like this recipe, then don't forget the thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.